How to install FlixVision on Firestick or Android TV. I'm going to tell you how to install FlixVision on Firestick or Android TV. First, install the free downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Then go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and enable Apps for Unknown Sources for downloader. This allows side loading of apps outside the store. Open Downloader and enter the FlixVision APK URL or use a direct downloader code link, the one shared on Firestick Tricks, or 845-3568. Hit go to download the APK, then choose Install. Once installed, click Done and delete the APK to free up space. After installation, you'll find FlixVision in your apps, launch it, grant any permissions, and enjoy free movies, TV shows, anime, and live channels. If you're on Android TV, the process is identical. Enable unknown sources, sideload via downloader, and optionally install a launcher like Sideload Launcher to run it.